Hi friends, this is Abha and welcome to Desi Tadka. Today I am going to make very popular yet super easy Indian breakfast dish called poha. Poha can be made in numerous ways, but today I am going to show you a very easy and super delicious my way of making poha. So let's quickly run through the ingredients and start the recipe. For poha we need 1.5 cup of poha, which is also known as flattened rice. There are two varieties of poha available in the market. For this recipe, I am using thick poha. Half medium-sized onion, washed, peeled and finely chopped. 1 medium-sized potato, washed, peeled and chopped into small pieces. 2 green chilies slitted vertically, 6 to 8 curry leaves, juice of half lemon, 1 teaspoon sugar which is completely optional, salt to taste, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 cup peanuts, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. This is a key ingredient and it adds very nice flavor and aroma to poha. Handful of bhujia sev or any other sev of your choice for garnishing. 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Firstly, we will wash poha thoroughly with water. It's washed well. Now let's take it into plate and spread evenly. To this add 1/4 cup of water. This step is important as this will help to prevent poha turning dry. Cover soaked poha with another plate or plastic wrap and keep aside. Turn on the flame and add 2-3 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is heated, add peanuts and fry them till they turn golden in color on medium flame. Peanuts looks ready. Now let's take them out in a plate over a tissue paper so that excess oil can be absorbed. Now in the same pan add mustard seeds, fennel seeds, curry leaves and green chilies. Saute for 5 to 10 seconds on medium flame. Now add chopped potatoes and saute for a couple of seconds again. Add turmeric powder and mix it well. Sprinkle pinch of salt and stir. Adding little bit of salt to potatoes will help them to cook faster. Now cover the lid and let it cook on medium flame for a couple of minutes until potatoes are almost cooked. After a couple of minutes on medium flame, potatoes are almost cooked. Now to this we will add chopped onions. Saute and cover till onions become translucent and potatoes cooked completely. The reason I did not add potato and onion together is that onions cook faster than potatoes, and if we add them together then onion will overcook before potatoes cooks completely. While potato and onion mixture is getting cooked, now let's check on soaked poha. Poha has absorbed all the water and it's not at all dry or sticky. To this let's add some spices. So I will add salt, sugar, red chili powder and lemon juice. Give a quick mix and keep aside. It's been couple of minutes. Now let's check if potato and onion mixture is cooked perfectly. Our potato and onion mixture looks ready. Now let's add poha and mix everything well. At this stage, check salt and add more if needed. Add fried peanuts and chopped cilantro, mix it in and serve into a plate. Garnish it with onion, bhujia sev and lemon wedge. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, hit like, comment and subscribe for more such easy and delicious recipes. Also, if you have any question on this recipe or any suggestion for upcoming recipes, leave a comment on comment box below. Thank you for watching.